Permanent Magnets Limited, known as PML, is a public limited company based in Mumbai, India. PML has preserved the values of trust, reliability, quality throughout its existence. Multinational companies have developed long-term relationships with PML. Based on the core strength of metallurgy and magnetics, PML has developed multiple products. PML has also developed expertise in manufacturing assemblies. PML has in-house facility for testing and calibration.
PML has indigenously designed and developed low-cost, high-tech automation equipment. PML has also developed annealing furnaces complying to NADCAP requirements. PML has also developed special-purpose test setups for magnetic performance testing. PML has successfully implemented and got patents for current sensing modules. PML has also developed indigenized source for BH loop tracer.
PML products are used for applications in automotive, aerospace, medical, energy and gas meters. Magnetic assemblies are used in food, pharmaceutical, chemical, cement, steel industry. Engineers work on different creative solutions to customer problems. The design team works with prototypes to optimize designs. Daily shop floor meetings help in monitoring and controlling process and quality.
Most of our customers are buying 100% of the requirements from PML because of PML's credibility. Now this trust has been developed over a period of time because of quality, delivered performance and price.
PML offers services like hydrogen heat treatment, magnetic designing using simulation, precise magnetic checking using sensitive testing setups.
PML has a very good, energetic team of engineers. Our job is to motivate them for their highest creativity. We need to provide the required resources for their success.
PML has in-house facilities for precision die casting, plastic molding, brazing, melting,
Most of our customers are associated with us for decades, in spite of changes in technology at their end. This, we believe, is because of our proven ability in product designing and, of course, our ability to cater to their supplies.
PML regularly trains teams in subjects like metallurgy, magnetics, and SQC.
We take well-informed risks while taking financial decisions. Also, we take care of interest of all our stakeholders.
Experts train the team for attitudinal skills. Workers are trained in specific skills and safety.
The number of projects have multiplied for the same customers over the years.
PML is supplying products across the globe. Multinational companies across the world are PML's customers. Working together creates new opportunities. Permanent Magnets Limited, a name, synonym to trust, reliability, and quality.